Hello everybody, my name is Michaela Boyko. I am one of the technology tutors here at the Learning Commons, and today I'm going to show you some of the videos and how to find them here on the UMS Academy. Some of the videos I'm going to be focusing on are going to be related to like the Google Suite, Microsoft Suite, Blackboard, and Adobe Connect. Basically the applications that are probably most prevalent to USM campus as a whole. So there's several different ways that you can find these videos. The first way that you can find it is right here on the front page. Obviously, keep a lookout for the newly added. There's videos being added constantly, so a lot of times I'll come on here and I'll see these videos, and there'll be one that'll actually catch my eye and I'll stop and look at it. So there'll be plenty of other videos coming up along with the applications that we're going to be talking about. The other way that you can find them is through the Explore Topics. So these little tabs here will sort out which videos you're probably going to be looking at. So all the stuff that I had mentioned probably be under Software and Technology. And so these show individual videos upon each one of the applications. So obviously you have stuff like Adobe and even stuff for iPhones. But if we keep scrolling, we finally hit ones that are about like Office Online, Office 365, Google Drive, and so those are just the individual videos. If you don't want to scroll through the front page or through a whole list of them and you really are looking for just one application in particular, you can come to the top, that's a search, and you can actually search for the videos themselves. So if I want to find videos on Blackboard, I can find them right here. If your search becomes too chaotic, so if I typed in something more broad like Google, obviously Google's going to have a lot of different videos because they offer a lot of applications. If I come down here to applications, I can actually sort out which ones I want to look at. So let's just say I wanted to learn how to use Google Slides instead. Now I have all the videos, or most of them at least, that are related to Google Slides. There's one other way that you can find videos. Not all the applications that I mentioned have this, but there is one in particular that has some of these split up. It's also called pathways. These different pathways are basically like packaged videos of the applications. So if I come up here to the top, right under pathways, I get all of these different tabs on all these different technologies. The one that I want to look for is stuff about like Microsoft Word. So it's right under Word, but see now if I hit this, I can enter the pathway and now this has a whole list of videos. So there's a whole thing on mail merge, tracking changes, table of contents, you name it, it has it. So that is it, guys. That's all I have to say about this. In the next video, I'll be going more in depth about how to use each one of these videos and also the modules that come with it. So stay tuned for that.